Uh, Thank you guys. Today I'm going to teach you on how to use calculated field in database. I'm also going to show you on how to use sorry for that. I'm going to show you how to use the calculated field and also validation group without wasting a lot of time. We just go direct to the table. Already the table is opened, so we are going to design view. So I have field for fees. So what I will do, I will add another fee for fees paid, so that I can be able to calculate fees paid. I will use currency because that is monetary value, amount, monetary value. Then I have another field known as balance. Balance. For this case, let us leave at that. So we can click save changes. Then if I move here, you see our fields have been created. So this one is maybe this student has paid maybe 20,000, and we want to see the balance. This one has paid 32,000. Wood. So we need to know the balance. How do we do that? The program, the good things, database, there are some formulas we can input in the table, in the query, wherever, even in the forms and even the reports, and we can be able to create. So we want to calculate the balance. Don't bother about the signs. We can easily change them to Kenyan shillings. So what we can do is that we can change this to Kenyan shillings. I can go to fees paid, then we change it there from currency to Kenyan shillings, as we did it from the previous exercise. So I'm going to create that. I will put that is hash, then comma, another 2 hashes, 3. That's okay. Then I can save changes. Then here I have the balance. The balance I can use capital B. Then here I need now calculated, so I click on calculated. You see now this arrow box will appear here to show on how amount to calculate. Is very simple. You can type, but you don't have time to type. We have expression elements, the functions, constants, operators. Then we have expression categories. These are the fields which are in the table. Then expressions, but it's very easy. What you do, you just double click on how to get the balance. The balance is the fees which is supposed to be paid, which is we double click it, minus the field, the money paid, fees paid. So this is how you get the balance. So remember that for you to calculate, the fields that are used for calculation must be put into square bracket. So if I click OK now, yeah, you can see you cannot set balance to calculate it. Data type, add a new field. So we can, why can't we do that? We can, so we can try again. You can click OK. It is reducing. I don't know where I've made the error, but we can create another one. There's no harm. We get another one, balance. Then we go direct to calculate it, and you can fees paid minus fees paid. Then we click OK. Yeah, it's accepting now. So we can delete this one which we created earlier. Now we can save changes, then click OK. Let us see if it has calculated. Let us confirm. Yeah, you see this is calculating. So 50,000 minus 20,000 with 30,000, 50,000 minus 2,000 is 18,000. Well, we are good to go. Another thing I want to show you is that when you are storing the record, the fees to be paid when printing, there can be an issue on this area here where we need the fees to be paid to be 50,000, but there is an error where I can, for example, here I have a new student which is 1301, and under the fees here I can put even 1,000 shillings, and it will accept the fees to be paid, which is very wrong. So what we can do, we can validate this where we use a validation rule. So how do you do that? We go to design view, then we go to the fees to be paid here. On this field, down on the field properties, we can select validation rule where we say the amount will be equal to 50,000 will be equal to 50,000. We are good. You save. They will say, yeah, data integrity rule. So you are making your data to be very, very secure without no error. So we say yes. Say yes. Then now you can go to view. Then you can see here where we entered the field. So we can try to enter another 1,000 and see. We click enter and we click, no, sorry, not here, sorry, not there, it is fees paid here. So we click maybe 10,000 and we go next. You see it is giving a very funny error, which is not really good. So what you do, we can write 50,000 there because we need it. Then we go here on design view. On the fees paid, there is another property known as validation text. So here we say fees, we're going to give a message where we say fees must be equal to, or we can write the word equal to 50,000. So that one makes sense. So you can go there and save. We try again for the second time now. Here we change it to, maybe you can overcharge, let's say 120, like giving 120. You see now this message comes, fees must be equal to 50,000. So you cannot overcharge the student, and also you cannot undercharge the student. Good. So we can add that student as so you see we cannot continue here until we change to what is set to be done. Now I think we can move. We can add that student as Sophia Pombe Karaoke. You see now the date. So that one we can select even from this one. Say that is the date of admission. Then maybe from 1